feel?
I'm a little tired.
What do you think about CrossFit?
CrossFit kicks your butt.
Yeah.
CrossFit is good. It's made us both stronger, more mentally aware. Good times.
Okay.
Anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it.